Umshushisi wombuso uthe uma laba bekhishwa ngebheyili bazophazamisa uphenyo. Uthi baqambe amanga encwadini efungelwe ngamakheli abo nanokuthi ababazi ofakazi kuleli cala.
So they gave false information, knowing it to be false. The state submits, knowing it to be false. For you can't give an incorrect residential area when you know that place does not even. You can't give a residential area that you know does not exist.
Imanje ithe izizathu zesicelo sebheyili sika Pastor Mboro kanye nasolwa naye azinayo into ephathekayo.
Applicant 1 and 2 have not discharged the onus that rests on them and have not adduced any evidence which has satisfied this court that it is in the interest of justice that they be admitted to bail, and therefore applicant number 1 and 2, your application for bail is hereby denied.
Umsolwa wesithathu okuyindodana kaPastor Mboro yena udedelwe ngesexwayiso ngaphansi kwembandela ethile.
Applicant number 3, you are released on warning with the following conditions. You are to have no direct or indirect contact with the witnesses.
Uphiko oluphenya amacala omphakathi NPA lusishayele ihlombe isinqumo senkantolo.
As the NPA, we welcome the court's decision to deny 2 of the accused release on bail.
Icala lizobuyela enkantolo mhla zingamashumi 21 kuMfumfu.